Hey everybody, so I got a quick tool haul to do from Home Depot. I got a Milwaukee tool and some Dremel stuff, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so these are the items I picked up from Home Depot. I picked up some Dremel Sawmax 3-inch wood and plastic flush cut carbide wheels. This one is, it's got a depth to it, kind of sticks it out. This one is item number SM600. Then I picked up the same style blade, which is a 3-inch wood and plastic carbide wheel, but it does not have the flush cut, so it's just a flat disc. This is SM500, and I picked up the Milwaukee brushed M18 a random orbital sander. It is item number 2648-20. It says new. It's not new, but pull this batch code from Home Depot sticker off. See if we can see what we need to see. They always got to put these stupid stickers over the information that you want to read for some reason. Now, they can't put them up here on the top where there's no information. Specifications: corded power, 12,000 OPM max, oscillations per minute, variable speed from 7,000 to 12,000. I looked at the DeWalt 20 volt XR as well. That one I believe is brushless, but that one does 8,000 to 12,000 OPM, where this one does 7,000 to 12,000. So this one does 1,000 RPMs less. Pad size is 5-inch. Weight is 2.7 pounds. Orbit diameter is 3/32. Universal hose adapter included, yes. Universal hook and loop pad, yes. Again, this is brushed. This is just a quick little haul. We'll do the unboxing in a separate video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Oh, and when I do these tool hauls where I don't unbox anything, they're teaser videos. That's why they're so short. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.